All right, hello everybody. Thanks so much for joining me and welcome back to the channel. My name is Michael. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be jumping back into Python Crash Course and demoing 5-5 Alien Colors number 3. Try it yourself. Thanks so much for being here. 5-5 Alien Colors number 3. Try it yourself. Turn your if-else chain from exercise 5-4 into an if-else chain. If the alien is green, print a message that the player earned 5 points. If the alien is yellow, we earned 10. If the alien is red, we earned 15. And then we're going to make sure all of these work. So let's go ahead and copy our program from 5-4 over. 5-4 just asks us to write an if-else condition for evaluating if the alien color is green, and if it is, we earned 5 points. If it is not, then we earned 10 points. So let's modify this to add an elif chain. So if, elif, and else are pretty cool in that once a true statement is found within the chain is now broken, meaning that we jump out and we no longer evaluate subsequent or following conditionals. So for example, if the alien color is green and we evaluate this statement as true and print this statement, no other statement is evaluated. If we specifically put if instead of elif, this forces evaluation across every single conditional. If we would like to short circuit the chain itself and jump out early upon receiving a true value, we would write elif here, and we're going to earn 10 points if the color is yellow. So elif alien color is equal to quote yellow. We're going to print quote you earned 10 points for shooting the yellow alien. We'll say green alien in this one above. We'll make this one say red alien. Now this wants an if, elif, else chain, and we're not actually specifically evaluating the quote red evaluation within this else block because it is inferred that the only color remaining is the red color. Be cautious in assuming that that would be the only value available, especially if you're evaluating user input. It might be smart to write elif quote red and then use the else statement for any other color that isn't actually accepted. But in this statement, we'll just use the else statement to infer that red is the only remaining option available. And we're going to earn 15 points shooting the red alien. So let's go ahead and make a yellow one here and comment out both of these and go ahead and see if this works. Let's run. And we earned 5 points for shooting the green alien. Let's go ahead and uncomment this guy and comment this one out. We earned 15 points for shooting the red alien. And lastly, we should get 10 points for shooting the yellow alien. You earned 10 points for shooting the yellow alien. Just to recap, the if, elif, else chain will jump out early once one of the condition logic is met for its appropriate evaluation. Because in this case, yellow is the alien color, this is evaluated to false, we move to this one, we evaluate this as true, and we immediately jump to this statement and jump out of this block and jump over the else and don't evaluate that at all. Now, if we had more elif chains that continued to evaluate colors, those would just be skipped as indicated earlier. All right, this was 5-5 Alien Colors number 3. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.